big ass wing on that car. That is sick. That guy's awesome. Encourage that wing. We also got to adjust the parking brake.
Car was rolling away there.
Hey, welcome to an episode of Lamborghini TV. Today's episode is to do with Uncle Jesse building a custom exhaust for his Lamborghini Murcielago. It comes in a box. Just take a couple pieces of it, Jesse.
Sure. So these are the straight pieces.
Yeah.
And then you've got like 45s, and you've got the important one, the one you need.
Oh, that's
these ones.
right.
The 180s.
So what's this, a kit you buy?
Yeah, it's a kit from Lyle's. They have all different, all different kits and pretty affordable, nice stuff.
All right, so Jesse's been working on this. I'm gonna crunch over here. Don't laugh at me. Jesse's been working on this for a couple of days, so he made a jig. Show us the jig. So there's the old one. We'll go over the old one.
I'm not too impressed with the jig. The jig is Mickey Mouse, but it did the trick.
The jig works.
Yeah, it works. So it just quick and holds pieces together, and just kind of, it is.
So what is this? It's just tacked on right now?
No, I mean it's welded. I've got to flip it and weld the other side, but it's 80% done, let's say.
So what's this? This is from.
So up here, this is going to the cats.
Yeah.
So this is going to your tailpipes. So I mocked it up with that big heavy tank right there.
Well, that's the
car graphic. Yeah.
So you see in the last video I posted, car graphic exhaust is worth about $3,700. Is that US?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's not cheap.
But so what's all the pieces underneath?
Yeah, that's what's left over from cutting.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of trial and error, and chop saw.
So you're saying you can mass produce these?
No.
Why not?
It'll take forever.
It won't take forever.
It takes too long.
Comment below if you want Jesse to mass produce you a custom Murcielago exhaust.
And check this out. This is the lazy way to get rust off of muffler clamps. It's electrolysis.
Oh, here we go. We got Bill Nye, the fucking science guy over here. So what did you hook up?
Yeah, so it's just water with some solution in it, and like borax I used actually. You can use washing soda.
Yeah. And
then a 12 volt like AC adapter. And what happens is the rust attracts to the iron, comes off the clamps.
That might not make this video because it just makes us look like nerds. But anyways, that's just a quick little update. Jesse thinks he's going to be done this tomorrow.
Yep.
So tomorrow we might come back and we'll see how this sounds. Anyways, I want to thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this content. This is a little quick video here, and we'll see you on the next one.